Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Siri not available and fix Siri download by connecting to Wi-Fi on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, restart your iPhone. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on General. Scroll up. Tap on Shutdown. You can see appears on screen. Drag the slide to power off, slide to turn off, wait for a few seconds and turning back on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is turn off Apple Intelligence. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. If you turn on, now please make sure turn off the settings. Now wait for the sometimes, then again to turn on these settings on your iPhone and iPad, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is change Siri voice. Tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on the Siri. You can see appears on screen. Now tap on the Siri voice and change your Siri voice on your iPhone and iPad, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is turn on Wi-Fi. Open the control center. Now if your Wi-Fi is connected, now please make sure turn off it, wait for the sometimes, then again reconnect to Wi-Fi on your iPhone and iPad, and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Siri not available and fix Siri download by connecting to Wi-Fi on iPhone is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.